If you want to about Dave Hammer TV, so for more than you subscribe to channel no by just clicking on the red button. Yes, spiritual world. And once and seven and next so you have a pure and then your top key and your buzzy. Na yeni osofo Reverend Samuel also appear. And eba bi di huhumu nkomo also hu ade pa. Anam ka sa akofo kwa ni hu ade. Mo ka say spiritualist for kwa ni hu ade. She. And any asofo so ba bi di nkomo live on Dave Hammer TV na mo koso ana mo send mo comments no ba ya mo comment ni won take. So social media there but o ma comment ni won tia. Yes we yetima respond kama ma. Your friend Dave Hammer. Na Dave Hammer TV and Oshé. Tibomodi answer subscribe to your channel. We were Reverend Samuel also appear. Or a Sofo associate pastor. Was St. James Baptist Church. Now ono wedi Sofo on sorry baby na mekon ho na ono introduce ne ho asane ahedwumadi na asekra. Enti sabre mi ko Reverend Samuel also appear ho na ye ne di komo live on Dave Hammer TV. Asofo ye mo akwa
Yeah, Ejaba.
Na bibia bokodi.
I don't know why want nyame na yede.
Ye de nyame asese ye ba office waje efeso.
That's when I was say mo so waba.
Wow. Na dey me ko say.
Nyame adom ye pem so. Oso ne mboafo. Gidi say say adepa bi chiwa. Don say Yakobon churchfo ene nam ne dom ne nanim tie so ama adepa bi achiwa. The adepa bi chiwa dia. Me dey bi because say adepa chiwa. Fashion adwum say nyame ne unwie. God has not finished with you yet. So long as nyame permit wo among the broad daylight there. Let's just say God has more to add to your life. And if possible, God has more to deduct for your life. I mean, the pen just say the pen chiwa. It just also who say nyame shape your life no. And they also you free mono at the pen chiwa bit be a year free. They also at the can hono at the pen chiwa the can hono. They also check a man so at the pen chiwa or be check amana so. And they who are so your channel that's what you have to do in your way. We need multiplication.
Okay.
And my friend the mathematics of God. So at times God need to add, at times God need to deduct, at times God need to divide and give you your share, at times God need to multiply unto you.
Okay.
And it's at the permission there. That's how your creator as a for. Now they are showing you say near a yet near man yama creator as a for. Also dear it won't be.
Okay. At
the permission that's the most important thing. So if you have life, because I've been saying the most important thing in life is life. The most important thing is in life. It's life. Because if there is no life, what is car for? If there is no life, what is money for? If there is no life, what is church for? It is a nyame do na part the permission and also the show again himself. Nyame no miesa. God has not finished with you yet.
Wow. And then come on, no. I said, at the public chiwa. No, say, Yamiadu. I be so feel say, Bia. On one, I done was sorry, a dear Yadum. Is you a via or one maybe a woman, one man, sorry. They don't even believe, say, Yami be na dum or more, sorry.
A notion. Na, I don't know.
Notion.
Say an argument.
Okay.
And watch it. What I say? Because when the Bible say near Okana Kuma Musa Yamini Home, Bible friend would be in chi in chi. The Egas will be in chia, will be a brocasiaso. Minkas will dequasi animals or quasi go. And it's what master say. It means that one near quasiacra, you go beyond stupidity. So if you just say
that's what people say. Oh, since you know that way, and I don't mean that you be by Yana Nanon, that da, and then we be what that, and my sorry, like they don't believe say they are doing the crowd, and me being a man, sorry, eh? What do you say what that? Was sorry.
Yeah, when you are deceived. And I said, when you are being deceived, say your dada, and I say, oh, Ira, who's a Ira. If he said, service,
oh, Ira, who's a Ira,
the room has what Wow,
this is powerful.
Oh,
Ira, who's a Ira.
That's what would be uncle from that. Oh, you don't know. Oh, you know what she cried.
This will be
yes. Oh, one of which I know.
When she will be at the end, I won't quite so was I.
The Empire can say, Nyamia Yasuno. He works in 2 dimensions.
Okay.
In the 2 dimensions that God works, one air principle.
Principles.
Systems. What's that saying? Principles, systems. God use or yet more so. Because of principles and systems, I think the T4 etine making us.
Of course.
Nyame de hihye and then brand sade ade na ye adwuma. Or ye nyame or the ye adwuma.
Okay.
Normal biblical basis.
Okay.
And the biom nyame de ensenkyerene nso ye adwuma. It is when you are living by principles, one we have nyame de ho. Because even they say a come the one, what do?
You eat.
You eat. So if you go to the market, when you have money, you purchase some stuff, food stuff, you come and cook. It is a principle and share. Then you mention the annual agreement. It is a one way let's say you are living by the systems and the principles of structures as you are. Okay. Nyame ohopa. Then you mention the control all that we see and we have. I give you a course to be a German control. If you can say, me die, I'm dying, I'm sorry. Oh, damn. Oh, sorry. At times, also at times, phone bet me as a tea alarm on the phone. A as now all done, a show is a whole setting alarm. I'm a bodru baby, a bar, sorry. So you move baby or a bar into me again. Sorry. As I did to every, I'm watching. What check it? What check here who's there? Obida. Over to me and done that in 30 and down, and 30 and be wrong. Or all that. Would them, they be a leftover food be can invite this aunt.
Yeah, to come.
And so, auntie, let me and now one was it Nyame a mysterious God? Indeed, say, all the systems in Nancy. Now we also, me and I call Doom Namino, Tom, and no enemy, D, and I'm here saying to one here because there's no God. Indeed, and I'm because all you know, so you tell notion. But God is there. The Empire can say, I did be a you assassin is be a Nyame has a hand
in it. Wow. And then the introduction keke and the ebesua de papa ye pese so for beka ho asem kakra che kwan fa so a wo be sofo as Reverend Samuel Usu Appiah. Sorry, our pastor. For how many years have you been a pastor?
Hey, I think I've been celebrating you.
So and the decades we have one. Hey,
13th November. And then
and 7 and 8. Yes, and 8.
And 8 November.
Yeah.
So I have 5 days left. 13th November 1994.
Wow.
And I'm starting ministry.
20 years.
No, 25 years.
25 years. Oh, okay.
1994.
That's 2 decades.
Yes.
5 more years.
2.5 decades.
Do you celebrate here?
I'm not there. I celebration there.
I'm sure YouTube. Some of us are celebrating the 25 years.
Because 94, 13th November, and I grace back to Nino, grace back to those times, they prayer tower members near the
okay.
And then I started Kukufu Baptist Church, Kukufu.
Okay.
In Dimina, I am penning for they also good Miswa. They are so shared this.
Okay.
And we commenced the church, a crusade. 13th year started church, and then I remember when it was a Sunday. Okay. Checking in here Sunday.
Okay.
It's my blasted.
Oh.
But a Sunday. And the crusade, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then this Saturday, they 12. A follow up. They started church, 13th November, and I was the one that the church in Sherman, as a pastor. Those I can me as a pastor, but I was a caretaker pastor. And that day, what did you know? That 25 years, every years.
Yeah.
Then there's
a young guy.
And from there, no, crano, we are Kokofuno, and I reverend near Modako. It is only
Martin Dimba,
Reverend Niamuna, Reverend Dr. Niamudako.
Yeah.
He was a council member of then Atames government.
Oh, okay.
Reverend Niamudako. Council member. Now, on the way preaching, Kukufu, me inviting me program, me rooster. Come on, to be preaching. To be preaching, oh, no, 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 Samini at the Maba Kukufu. I was a Papa Mini at the Maba. It will help us to know you are too young to be a pastor.
Wow.
And no catch them say, as more can my money have me too young. He want me to leave the pastorate and further my education. Now the woman say, so for dear, young Francois. Or see a fire then, Francois. Name where your train is a truck. And you cheer over but now will be so action the baby now so soon. Yes, I can call on the swakoi. Indeed, me a young. I make me a perceive education. Then we are so for the end, but no crash you train that down. Oh, my better was. And the crash at that time, you feel a vibrant. You know, when found gravitas of the dinner. To two myself and I frame by one office with Grace Baptist.
Wow. And you're not any do it.
Ah, no, catch him, that's not catch him.
Who done a comaso?
And sometimes I have a races form. Oh, only says forward.
Of course.
That time we races form.
School bay.
Every year, we says for me called Prempeh Academy, could be
Prempeh College.
Wow. Could be workers' college because I couldn't sustain.
Okay.
So it's that I was more or less, should I say sack or something.
Oh.
And then you could be a workers' college. That workers' college, you can't was saying.
Okay. Yeah.
And it's that time, you said, I'm going to $7 until disappointed is for me.
Wow.
Oh. And though Satan and I sacred there, but not sacred, many papa. Engineer move on, yeah. We really says from Nessa and Queen to make me a good investing.
Wow. And
he advised me, say, make me a good investing. There's another opportunity, and that opportunity is for me to go to training college. And through training college, make me a good investing.
Tina will need teaching.
And yeah, training college go kind of make crowd. Training college and make training college yeah. Say can be real from 5 plan and come here then because just on the make casano. Let me make be crowd we training college. And yeah. On the casa we on one the TDC Kakoto training college forms.
Wow.
A Koto training college forms. And on my papa be as at an orchard or St. Louis secondary. Sorry. Near friend Mr. Lumonati, and on the share this, so make sure say, Minya Bishop Training College. Minya I could carry training college, man, come and fee cram Simenko. The man fee, Tiabra, or when you now convince him, man, who is at it on Sunday call. Not admissions to Cray. Wow. And the Aqua carry training college. Because my mechanic and the two or more English teacher, then on there, assistant principal. And also, 7% training college in the Aqua carry is out. Into waiting about Mount School and all my lectures and go to Moon training.
Wow.
To Moon training college.
And where he?
To Moon Upper West.
Upper West. Wow.
Many of the carriers in pet. Nina said in Yamade a in the park and the papa went to Moon training. You got 3 years a year. I was posted back to Tumu. And I'm far car conquering. I'm quite then. Not Minister of Education here for Namakuniama. And it's over Kaya.
The Kaipa. The Kaipa. Yeah.
But quite as you present whom a crowd on office. No, it's mean to me, the master say. That's been the Asembia. My real training college. I'm supposed to be back to 2. But I'm a shame who I make me as alcohol. I got you the best of which is some posted to money. No, hey, Kraji.
What boldness did you have out to you?
I don't see my weakness, maybe boldness is my weakness. And I want to become the secretary. Until the secretary, I'm late. I said, no, this is not an issue. I was going to come home. I'm not going to persuade one of me. And also, I'm trying. To me, trying, we are on my letter. No one can write letter. And no catches I should put it on paper. The secretary now, I know mommy paper and a pen. Now I'm trying on one type of mommy. It was, me can say, Grace was a favor on one type of mommy. And also, me come run next day. Now I'm saying I can't go and come back next day because me free Kumasi. to me Jim Wayne.
Oh my goodness, God.
I'm going to do that. You boy wants some 2 years. I just out.
Yeah.
And many no bread or they may request a prayer. Then she brought a letter in an hour or two. Say I should accept my postings on the further notice. The old postings now. No, as I advise him, says, I'm looking at the Abraham Pamina who appeal. I'm so Osama the pen and that tray. Now the son was being commanded the following day. To recover the following day, we carried my many time could see so on the head posters, the whole Ghana on the head post education training Kali posters. Your friend Mama Helen and I'm saying, then require a man knows or no plan back. Or national service, post to the was one pay, and I am missing him Pehona Minko, one at the end fan of God. I'm saying, dear, me near the recording. But me, dear, a hot dear, meet me coach at the hobby. And we make you more. And also, I don't
know Casa Sabrina.
Mintiming Cassin Yamin make us, but that was what I felt. And I know the chasing Yami. And then the chasing Yami. And ye, dread you ran about my letter. So your postings have been relocated to Asante region.
Wow.
It has come to Asante region.
Wow.
May they let the bar, Ghana Education Service, or KTI and Chairman, they were shocked how I got the letter. I mean, because we come in seminar and before God and man, I didn't pay a peswa.
Wow.
Before God and man, I didn't go and say I beg you, and I was my message was just straightforward. And the Bible also, the Bible Asante region, that's what I said. Then, let me tell you what okay. And I was saying, I said, I mean, school. I was many Asante region. No one's okay near. Minko head just Minko just. Let me go beside school. I find out 1 month later. Me pay home. I'm saying, because I thought me look. Me because I me look at you. As well as to Africa. Oh. I thought that Joshua is a straight. Okay. I'm going to school at Joshua. Wow. We tried there for 7 years.
Wow.
I could see that. Wow. Meeting me and child debut. And then, yeah, the reason is I'm retired. And then, degree. And I'm Yadom. I get a second degree, and I'm friends, masters. You get a Kuli Wabi. Wow. I just read here half. Go back to Sophie, you know, there was a Baptist for the people of the book. The energy at the Suede. The only
apart from Baptist, what other churches have you?
The Free Training College by Miss Way Kakra from the Baptist setup.
Okay.
Emma many Reverend Emmanuel appeared to me. What he did that.
I've heard the name.
They started church in day one. Charismatic Miracle Chapel. They started church near Bosso. And they do 5 years. Wow. And I mean, who said, I didn't know some at Twasso. Everybody at Twasso. And people don't know. Everybody at Twasso. Who do evidence what we are no we. Even I make him we sleep. Yeah. We sleep while I'm going and then we. To be so far here, and to be honest, sir, yes, it's so for be a boamia. Because of a boam. Because we saw for the fapping. And then a father bite. Nay, it me, like I said, get about 60%. Reverend man up here, man. This year, I'm sorry, they started church in one Bible. This year, sorry, no, C school. Okay. C school, everything, the sandboard. This year, I converted in the sandboard, BC, so for life. Ginasi. I want to see as well.
Right, Kabusia, and this so Reverend Samuel Uswapia and Dinko, but you try and one about me or the Yaba introduction, you have a Coswato Asada. The main topics for the day, Abro. Memko, this is Dave Hammer TV.
Hi, this is Vivian Jo Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV, cause it's the best.
Welcome back to Dave Hammer TV. And there you are, Reverend Samuel Uswapia. Reverend, Prophet in County, oh,
Osofo de
Who be
Ejidi se osofo bia obe dedicate to God bia. Kwambia kwambi mo ho bia tibibi.
Okay. Reverend now kasa the introduction no say osofo bi anama wa ye Reverend Emmanuel Apia menu. Wow.
No boss and the entire make say okita greater part of the contribution towards my ministry is say or software and that year that boom 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 though he was married I was not married but everything was okay baby I mean why won't be I'm free the honor and now we call Power Chapel.
Power Chapel. Yeah, Power Chapel. Victor.
Reverend Victor.
Wow.
And also one person, and also Abuam ministry.
Charismatic Church. You worked with the Charismatic Church before.
Charismatic Miracle Chapel.
Oh.
In a way, Power Chapel.
Power Chapel. Okay.
And
Tina Charismatic said no go.
Well, sure.
Yeah. Charismatic said I say youthful charismatic. No.
Power Chapel never changed. I was with Power Chapel for like 11 years.
Wow.
TUC from TUC about and he said I'm making a bravo book.
Then you now move to St. James
Baptist. I didn't see Conde. I'm saying Baptist once were tell me. I'm saying once a Baptist, always a Baptist.
Okay.
They do a lot of who's and some back to Baptist. And said 5 years ne. And then I said the and work and the Abeshaha.
Wow.
You're born a cracker. And it's so far so good.
Okay, this is all you need to know about this man of God. You need to be abribia about so many teachings. Echoes will reassert and saying, in the at least the background of Reverend Samuel Usua Piande, 25 years in a gospel ministry there. Easy. And you know, when we talk about the Bible, when we talk about end times, when we talk about the Holy Spirit, when we talk about some teachings, when we talk about nowadays prophets, I think it's in-depth knowledge about all those things. It's still Dave Hammer TV. And then this is just an introduction. This is just an introduction. Reverend, so far, what's your daily activities? What's your daily activities? As a pastor, do you do any other work? Another you are just pastoring now, always in the office 24 hours, service to God 24 hours.
Media teaching there, because I might be teaching and I'm this often. We all Power Chapel, I'm Charlie.
Okay.
Power Chapel, Mona Bijay, they retire from teaching. That is 205.
Okay.
So we training college 98. And I'm retired 205 and I'm resigning.
Satan, I'm more SS.
No, sir.
I'm Form 2.
Master High School. I'm sure I can Chirewadi. I'm more assignment to be a man watching. And that's it. For now, as you speak, dear, media teaching there, I'm into full time. That is what Sanya comes on me.
Full time ministry.
And my daily activities there. I mean, Adam, may crowd I have a mini off day.
Okay.
What is it?
Every day you are in your office.
Yeah, from Monday to Sunday. Maybe I'm
church or Monday. Church or Wednesday.
Oh no.
Church or Friday.
Okay. Church they said church. You had the Sunday service, Wednesday service, and then Friday service. And then every first Friday of every month we are here all-night service. Okay. But maybe more office as a pastor. Better have suya there, better have jiahoho, better have
problem. Yes. You get time to rest.
Yeah.
Is that so for more resting?
No, you're resting. It isn't making.
There's more resting.
Sir.
Oh, you're
resting. Say the won't be Bible going to resting. They're resting. They're resting. Because won't me, so to me, dear, can be a banana and he gave rest to.
Okay, God rested on the 7th day, right?
You can awesome.
On the 7th day. Only a baby. On the 7th, okay, we are on the 7th day, because we do supper.
The rest are rested. The means a material. And then no Yamia don't phone tea. Obi who have a ball from a brown him so or behind. Just say once a while.
Yeah.
Be appointment. And me say me time and feel say e be okay every no schedule appointment e be okay ama me e be okay so ama wonso then we schedule appointment and that is how it is rest there meaning say because in this life and never me answer me nim say it keep the body going one a good eating good exercise and then good rest.
Good eating. So dear Bianpa.
Good dear Bianpa. So Bianpa also good. Because you secondary school no. My sports master. CKGMF or something. My sports master. This CKGMF or no coaching master. Or no friends as a CKGMF. Now on na ukon and one person na sports master to on the side dispenser. And you ukon one person say we have you here. As me who no what di koko di bengu afra. I'm passing you could do cocoa breakfast. If you breakfast now, also come inside bula you cook chop and go so. Okay, that. You didn't want to be fra. Also, who no biane also di. Okay. And to be honest, so say your prayer bodies here, prayer nena way. And yet biane bia na yema body. Minimum so them say. And
then you should
body. It also who biane udia. What reaction? Good eating is very important. And you must know the times of your times of eating.
And yet, oh, okay. So I also have doctor can one.
I mean, doctor is a training near science can sports.
Oh, okay.
In P, all of these things you have to learn.
Okay. So good food.
Yeah. Good rest.
Good rest.
And then good exercise.
Good exercise. Okay. So do you exercise every day?
Yeah, I do exercise. Bro, we are to me bamwa do an article. But article I'm making sure say me the 90 years here because I've been advised say every day when you cry no also to 90 30 minutes.
Okay.
And you get 30 minutes of walk is very good. But I mean no problem so na say come on we be skipping rope.
E dey for muntie ni o. O see. Here na ya kire say nipa bio ho so to be 90 30 minutes
30 minutes
enti wo drive do ya park kakra
and your friend is sedentary life
your friend say
sedentary life PE
enti ya park kakra
because
na drive na 90 kakra na o pe car mutu ma
na is here also is here ya konya titi so na konya titi ya very far dey ha be so no ma twa
na o fa
na there's a fa oh, it's terrible. I na Dave. Terrible. Ha. Onu say adabu sham so say na ka wa. Okay.
Yeah.
It's yeah.
Of course. Yeah. Now I'm interested for.
Nanya hwe. Terrible o jaka no fi na kwan bia fi so betun anante no ha dey. One anante. Oh. Na body no. Moja dey flow kaka. Flow say no say flow.
Okay.
Oh. Good exercise, good rest, and then good eating.
Okay. So how do we rest?
Oh, rest doesn't necessarily mean say wanda na wo hwan kromo. That's not it. But rest here on say o free o daily activity mu na wa relax
body no.
Oh, I'm not reading, I'm not doing anything. Relax the body. Me say me part of me.
You are not receiving calls.
No.
You are not WhatsApping.
No.
What your phone to bed.
No.
What do you cry?
What I say? Me a part of me. Me dey be my phone that vibration or silent. Enti cause fitness and be say my bra enye duro enye hwe once man da post that form name for come in da kwa edwedwo ho for some time na one to say body na regain spend move on and the rest yes what na hwe ankom okay who keep yourself from your daily activities no one that onya also you 2 words in this world you are alone and you're lonely. I want to be alone. A choice.
Okay.
I want to be alone today. I don't want any disturbances. A choice. And then friends are all resting. Maybe you want to be alone. Maybe you and call out if you're there. Oh, tell her there. Please, if you can call out another person, me share and me resting. It means you are around. Yes. And here alone. And you're lonely there. And then your choice. You can be lonely when people are around. What's matter? Yeah. Yes. And being alone is an art of taking a rest, personal rest. To rest here, wow.
Reverend Samuel also appear now a pastor at St. James Baptist Church now in any come on live on Dave Hammer TV now or me asua de pana the kind one of his teaching be or say every living thing grow na sa teaching one day we did a chia kwaje synopsis no am or the to me mail this man is a powerful man of God. Yes, say ochre wade now this one your life changes. Yeah, na me say one of these days remember na sheda abosa word, you know, just summarizing it just 10 minutes am I answer near 20 minutes. They said them kind of just introduction of spiritual things that happens into the world. And I do won't come live on the Mama TV. Now say you can say God rested on the seventh day. You know? One question that people are asking. So why do people go to church on Sunday? Some go on Saturdays. We see a huge thing people ask. Man for sorry Sundays, no. Doesn't mean say I mistake no more sorry Saturdays, no. Doesn't mean say oh my mistake So which is the rest? Which is the seventh day? Bishop. Which is the seventh day in which God rested at? The question.
I know the question I could say at the now. It's not about say your arguments. That is not it.
Okay.
And yes, say your person arguments.
Yeah.
Fortunately, not many people never cry facade and chair.
Okay.
And yet arguments. But I would say before Christ there was a testament. And when we talk about testament, we are talking about law.
Okay.
Before Christ there was a testament. Adia a dance the testator. Enti answer na Jesus eba no near Old Testament. And the Jesus eba so say near Testament. And we have what to call the Old and the New. And the Old Testament no deals with laws that were given to men and answer nipa see in this. So we Old Testament now we mra nyame de man nipa who defile bia most of them amount to death. Death. You stone you ku ti bi sa your friends Sabbath day once more okay. What the young kind one Bible verse na nyame ya adomo a you be head the treatise
topic no. Okay.
Very much what they get to
okay.
Share. Exodus 31.
Exodus 31. Exodus 31.
Exodus 31.
Exodus 31.
Exodus 31.
Let me open my Bible. So for now, I use Bible or phones, you know, mistake
any mistake.
Sound.
Any mistake.
Because so for say you didn't for a Bible mastery.
Any mistake.
Sound. You made my phone Bible.
I say we are say one if we are say I one. Say one year expose. And there are some folk who are assembly. Say unko be a full one. Who you go for exposure. So what me I like exposure. Could be as a condemn. Many to what must all my Bible that many
things have changed.
And then a tablet.
Yeah.
The end and carry every easy.
Tablet. Yeah.
The years of Conan, I was sitting China, or be a so gas, not over to jar. Oh, what I said. What am I saying? A discipline. Me phone, me Bible, I want my tablet, so my Bible, I want my phone, so a discipline. Just say, oh, fees of Bible or phones, never yet me to is it airplane mode or something?
Yeah, airplane mode. Yeah.
Use it.
Yeah.
Me, I have problem with you, sell the Bible on the back. Never phone so. Now,
be afraid.
We receive a call now. We hear text message or something.
Yeah.
Because we have to call him. He has to call him. Either you like it or not. We have to call him.
Yeah.
Didn't watch myself. And maybe I don't see anything wrong. The employer making answer if people are disciplined to send a making. Me say personally, I don't take phones in church.
Okay.
Into the auditorium. Buy a jam phone to her. Nah, because sorry.
Okay.
And the ABR also beat me up. Tell me office, but I'm to make it. What you must say? But the impairment in there, so wait for the phone. ako a onema woso o Bible woso ko fo onema bitimi ya download do so
notepad
bitimi ya ye no bibiri but we make sure say help know that making na dey at all phone bi call bi e ma text message bi e ma we are na ya make say call ben ko na e ba eburu nyame asem a wuti so and answer bro 2 or 3 hours a o dey me ready nyankopon the whole 24 hours Sunday baako aba sorry and I was there yumre we be do 1.5 hours and 2 hours was sorry no anti ko ade na be
you be so be brain iska
oh say am pass sika na your dia e your dia ofre ya wan nya no say your dia obesa afro ana
yeah
obi ohia o no afro no onyawa and the person so no be afro me 11 missed calls
wow
and I paid this morning when I was asleep 11 calls ohia won ti bi so 11 calls there what do I do
call back.
That's it. Okay. Engineer,
Exodus 31.
Exodus 31. Yeah, verse 14.
Verse 14.
Okay,
ye shall keep the Sabbath therefore, for it is holy unto you. Everyone that defileth it shall surely be put to death.
Oh, Marano. There's consequences.
That's a one class sorry Sunday. No.
One kipua. Yes, one class or you.
One kipu.
And you know the Sabbath. You can't say Sabbath. You can't say old rest here. Who catch them? Say old rest here. Fako.
There be. Aye. Bizarre.
What was that?
Bizarre.
Two Fako.
Fako. Oh no, I see. Then we need to have time to talk about this Sabbath.
You are resting. You are resting. Enti adie bi ebe bo ama rest na koso bia na ebi abetimi aye. But ebi ni de he. Ebi ni say me rest o say sla me didi. Enti aduan no kwa no mo prepare dey.
Esi wo.
What was it? Is you can say rest here, rest. And when you defile it, yes, of course, sorry. And that is why as the I saw we started Sabbath and you 5 Friday. No, we Saturday and you 6. What am I saying? And that is how it should be. Then yes, say, wow, who this Sabbath, who decrease, David, and yes, intimate to what am I saying? So, if you say Sabbath, no, if you say, who dear friend a Sabbath there, indeed. There's an officer Saturday and we choose something and require sorry. But then yes, Sabbath the end limit was.
Okay.
I don't know if you understand.
Okay, yeah.
You have chosen Saturday as your day of worship. But then yes, Sabbath, I understand. But when you use the word Sabbath, it means you are in trouble. So who defile here, you should be put to what? Death. And you hear Embrana. Embrano, the consequences in about 80% there. About 80% of the consequences of the law. And yes, died. Then Old Testament come to a halt, and then he opened a New Testament chapter. Then we will be saying, "Obaso be say Embrana and was then Mama say Embrana." Also from intro, I'm true. Me fa fun na me pepa ho ma fa fun ba me yede me pepa ho me yende
me mana efe
me kama ti me be shemu na me mana na kama
yeah
e mana ma me se no mu me ne kama se ne be ya me no mi nu a ye weakness ye ntimi nim na no so be bitimi yede e di so ti Yesu be shemu na che se obeye ne kama flexible through grace. And to me, I don't have any problem with anybody who says a Friday is my day of worship. That's your choice.
Wow. And said Jimuna Ato Asumpa. You try and waba. You try and waba. Yeah, the main topic for today. This is Dave Hammer TV. And then the Reverend Samuel Uswa appear in a Dinkomo live on Dave Hammer TV. Subscribe to our channel and always share your views, your comments, and we will respond to you. So for Eddie 25 years in the ministry, 13th November, no when you're 25 years in the ministry. We need to celebrate this man of God. Yes, I say celebrate, I now I better make sure celebrations. You make training in our life on Dave Hammer TV on that day. Try ever see ever to us.
Hi, this is Vivian Joy Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV, cause it's the best.
I'm saying Mama Kwaba be Dave Hammer TV so, and we are here. Your name Reverend Samuel Owusu appear and Edin Komo live on Dave Hammer TV. Say the office kind or say Obia Odina Nyamiana Mochibia no said what TV kakra or who be kakra. And we say me tea no asikakra. Say the way spiritual world won't come up any day. So did you say? Do we have a spiritual world?
Let us. Bibi we are.
Bibi we are say. Tini da etu epunu mu no.
So I feel na go see. I know I burglar proof.
Akronfo ntia.
Sir. Oh, ntia.
Akronfo be ba be wi ame. Ya bisu.
Me ka see susu ano. Sir. Mo pon kra say ya. Mo ma bitimi fa woduru. Unu woduru.
Woduru de de e wo fu mu.
O de sipon nachi.
Je bia na konfo be ba be wi ame.
Bibi we are. Bibi we are say ya na na reto wo mo. We say Yamiando Yasunya Kaka. So some of these things we learn Bible and then we connect it. Then we learn to would be clear a bit of words, man, and honor. Some of them be fear you better be you as your spiritual world because one can out to you say we are a human being comprising of three compositions. You have the body, the flesh, the body. The spirit and the soul. The Akasa give you a spirit. The Bible says, Yahoo home in Yamu Kabuma, a dear dancer. Tinyamis or home. And the Biasos of Bonsams or home.
I see.
You will be as. And I wouldn't my dear friend die. What's on that?
I dream.
If you are so that now with that own passion. So none in America, none in Kurumis, none in them, none now, only a vehicle. They're a friend die. That is spiritual thing.
So why does that thing happen?
Send the chest soon be soon be as well.
Do you as the also die?
Of course.
I say that now trade.
One part of you is spirit.
Okay.
And they also the show you is a part of you is spirit. Unless you say you don't believe, but that's not Bible nature.
To be our spirit.
And also send it to her physically. What to meet you will be no. Sana whom will go to meet you. Yeah, so for ye any fire.
So be so a macho man. I was son.
And this
spirit so be so a spirit change. In the spiritual realm.
Yeah.
I see.
So
we have spiritual realm now then.
Sir, Adia, ultimately for any day.
Physically.
Yes. Ultimately for you can't touch it. You can't see it, you can't touch it. Okay. John chapter 1 verse 1.
John chapter 1 verse 1.
I say in the beginning was God.
In the beginning was God.
And the word was God. I say in the beginning was the word.
There was the word.
And the word was God.
And the word was God.
And the word was with God.
And the word was with God.
What I can kind.
Okay. This is John 1:1. In the beginning was the word. And the word was with God. And the word was God.
Verse 14 to 13.
Okay, verse 13.
Okay.
Which were born not of blood, nor of the will of the flesh, nor of the will of man, but of God.
And
the word was made flesh.
The word that was God and was with God in the spirit. Now became what?
Flesh.
The idea that has now manifested into the flesh. And the reason the greater part of this world is spiritual. Yeah.
I see.
You are Mercedes Benz. So on your sorry, I know you. He dreamt, perceived, and then brought it out.
I see.
What you were waiting, like I said, a China.
Since he died.
And yet, that people go to the lunch. And then you could eat all you can. Lunch. wo perceive ehunu se ne ade no be si ade
aye
okwa ade na wo dwene ho nra no na ade
abem
spiritual world
I see
umfa woni nhuni but what perceive adwene ho nsi na be ye nyina obedu aka otu kwa kra wo nkobru ho so na wo dwene ne ma okwa wo pese ye de esie ade so okwa be na nim ho konkra first time ni wo no fi se nkra se ne hote wo konkra se ne hote ndu be do kra ne sa na ho ye de tie tie pam je se ye kra tititi ho ya ne yinim se eye spirituality but that spirituality actually mekwa spirituality something that you have taught you have impregnated akase okwa na just a manifestation ya dey the people we ask
wow do you see your body no comprises of the soul the spirit and the flesh
yes
I see tinyame hum ti obiam
o ti obiam se bible say nyame ebo nyame de form na ti ne bo nipa what you say and ohome enkwa home ebu nipa na nipa be ye okra atiase
we were created like God's own image
yeah nyame de form na ti ebo wo ti hum na ti mu no and ma carry the image of God
when now can say you see ye wo bonsam so spirit wo
oh yes
I see
say spiritual realm ne dey spiritual realm nyame de oh bonsam so de oh
oh sir
although na say it here physically kura no physically we say we are who na do so no oh e di bonsam na nyame ho
okay ti enu na ya na ye bay bonsam bayi ni sa ne manana
bonsam de bi anje oh e di obi no ho betu ya convince me say me dem bayi de me de ya de pa ade enye be na
obi si odi bayi odi ya de pa
ade enye be na ya de pa ade na ne enye it has originated its origination is evil so how can the thing do good
oh no so on fa wi nipa on the no fa nye bone on the or the boa de sisa ne makwa abuchiri or the boa nipa
it's not true ade enye be na the point is ade enye ti ade enye no be na e papa
so are they deceiving us
of course
really yeah see them more black power about black power the bra me de be boa me fa nye bone me nje sacrifice bia me de me boa mo any sika
me de me yini na ono afa nyan so kwa no ade wo sika papa no ukọ no ho a wa ka cho say ade a me yama no tuase
e bo so anjo hwi
oh omoji
o si ko ne ye ya no be damase
omoji so onye wo hwe grade owo na so ko ne ya no be damase ni na ade no ono o mo sika no because there was an advert on TV I check I said that David Donto na yes I did so okay David
yeah
oh you Lotto say why is the Lotto forecaster not rich or is a good Samaritan oh Lotto forecaster too sure we can advert in the pa too sure because why is the
Lotto not rich the good Samaritan David are not going to good Samaritan
edi are ne say
oh I see
maybe there me hu say ade enye de enye so for ade enye de udimi ka ade enye
okay
and then etimi ade papa
see so we have a spiritual world
yeah ade enye de benet me ade papa
so do we have people who can also who are not then be mu de omutimi things in the spiritual world maybe to say me
in the first place no me famra ye rem because ye rem ye so fudim and I say nyamsum okay famra nyamsum
okay
in the first place no say ubehuna de number 1 a gift
okay
number 1 a gift
I think it's even in the Bible
number 2 how closer you are with the gifter yankopon now no the gifter man so bomb pa ye we will be up and pie bar no 2 ways and baby ready
I see
your gift and kasa ho ande nyame de chew but apart from no dan chen so we will be a bomb pa ye sue nyame asem ye e devote to hu ya enya chede o de a chew as a gift but nyame baby na mo betimi hu na de betimi ate ase
okay
You sort of maybe
but it all channels, yeah. Yeah.
2 dimensions. You only a channel gift.
Who are you on a name? Maybe a channel that.
I say, yeah, my son found Rabias. Obuwa, young for Obiti say Abedipili. He's talented in football. When you're talented.
Yeah.
Whether he goes to all that Kurana's friends on the Bobola. Say, Aquaba here, I give you as in our boss, Ronaldo Messi. All that Kurana's friends, Sorabra. And almost a piano person on Bahili piano. What piano person the couple? Where you're talented.
There are such gifts.
Yes. And we also are seeing you see bare ball in it. I'm a typical example of our own circle. Some 2 years winning ball. So look at how he rise.
Yeah.
Oh, man, any brave or bare ball. Every baby a ball will be all. In the years, you say, maybe I'm Bible, open Bible, opinion, and near me, the things of God. If you are so much interested in the things of God, and you devote your time for the things of God,
okay, I think we will still talk about those things in the spiritual realm, but then the other person will say, why is it that Ibimu say God takes time before He answers people, but Abu somebody, we are not happy. It happens just like that, and people are saying, "Say, nyame chance and why? Why does it happen to?"
Although Antisa, say nyame chance one answer, and you biblical way. One so
that is what people are saying. Nyame there, ya pompa ya children sana or answer that, and you know, and yeah, call your quite drusu there, over answer them.
If we come on Lake Road and on Lakeside. Konkoma akoso money ho akoso mo
yeah
me ho I like to akoso mo na be krum
yeah
I like to area a connection
the connection
ya connect ya fra akoso mo
ana ba ho sa akoso mo bi anda bantima it's a connection
the connection is very important.
Tell us about connection. Tell us about connection.
Ne beti ya mo connect nyame. Ti nyame nam ha ne beti ya mo untu ni nyame akuchia. Faith.
GDA.
Ti Yesu say, na Bible say, obi biara GDA anybody if you even doubt in your heart. So won't doubt wa. Bible say nya de pa biara. Every nyame ho. The difference between the people of the old and now is faith.
Okay.
No mujidie sipi. Yesu enensu Yesu na aka yo. O say nimdie nti. Oh. Knowledge has increased. Enti no bedu ataka say nyame ni ho. Ndi so atema say.
Yeah.
Edi na me hu say nyankopon o chance na wansa. It's by your faith. Yes, so mujidie nuru a and I was in nyame. So ade na wo bo ho pa no gra gra mujidie nsi obi. The most powerful ingredient in Christendom is faith.
I see.
Jesus says, "A more GDT says snappy aba a master seed." That will do. Jesus
will be free Israel.
Yes. Oh, GDT says snappy aba. You speak to these mountains to move. When they were on the water, when they were crossing the Jesus Christ, crossing on the other side of it. I'm not going to show him now. As watching, but sorry, I said, you have to defeat. So Jesus intentionally prayed for the apostles that God should increase their faith. What am I saying? Edi Gideon na any honor, because Bible scriptures are instant justice and as instant answers. Eba bibiri. Oh, Elisha ejina bompa said enne nsu anto. May come from the Old Testament. Yeah. Elijah ejina bompa said nsu anto. Elisha can say a child by this time is an answer. It happened. Instant. And in answer, Mokran say, Yamisi and go. He said, by my word. The Bible the Elijah na am Fatima with James. Or say e nipa to say Elijah. No ka say nsu nto sa na yensu ye ka. O say ti ye. God be a passion like it. I didn't know there. GD also for it all mount down to mount. And na ye no ye mu do na no. Ye jibonsam ne medi a change yamina antina that antina sa question na busa ba die tin yamidi onya ne ntem na ye jibon sisi as otu we say bompa cancer papa gu sukura ugidi ofom ba obi fashion apehwe fom so do wu a ba dwene no ho wo jibonsam ne medi obi fa ko dwene pa me bodu ya we grebe so because yes apa udu gidi akohye saade de TGD me hu say gidi okay answers prayer answers anyankopon tie instantly bebre ya Bible
o si amanfo akọ prayer amanfo akọ Bible sa na bibiansi ye omo guso e Bible bibiansi ye so why is it that omo Bible so bibiansi
also for and no yeah, the first question was Nampem just said, and only one. And the two, Yamina, yes, no. Sir, oh, won't me enforce so. It is that, yeah, Mamma, literally. Or him, I idea, cannot him force you. What do you force so? Huh? That the toy you got to brave no one time. One talk, a chance to talk, one talk. You do it under your own discretion. Come on, happen, I made it. Wait, at a door your back. Sika. I'm Sika. Come on, what happened at the what do you know? The same thing between us and God.
Is it that Nipa for so yana?
Say Nipa for some to say.
Say you will be country. Say,
Abosom cry, okay, cry, yeah, Abosom send a call instant justice. I'm waiting for more proof. Huh? They should come and prove it. I'm going to call Bosom and or Coca. I'm
for Mokoyana. I just schedule a month for Gina. Omukoya near the Abosum near the Amo.
On a taking process. The more community partner or chef from a copy for and there's in the way. In a taking process. Sadly, Yamisu Yamis who shreddy power concerts, Sapanas. Prentice and Yamis who shreddy pass speedily. And so on. But the permit say a cousin Yamedi or is never in the Bible.
So you need to have the connection with God.
Faith, na connection with faith. Nyame namha.
Now so namha. Umsan bibia, unsanka.
Asia, ugidi or from Asia. Baby nyame namno. Let's also namwa.
And you know, it means a woman come bomb na bibia, you know. It means a be connection.
That's so.
It be connection. No,
that's a Namicano. Ugidi out to Sana Monopra away. And near first, Ugidi out to Sana away.
I don't even have the faith. Or the real
of one and then or a china or Ugidi Ira.
Changing churches to churches.
Ugidi Ugidi. Well, then I'll 2 1 I'm only Gidi. To me, they made a visa. Question was that it all boils down to our faith.
Our faith. Wow.
If your faith is strong, you can claim everything from God. Maybe our person will say,
okay.
On the board,
you try a last question I'm warm myself for. Almost a Bible, no, a storybook. Sana amount for Kaji try one by a bar. You know, reference about also appear the Nobel climax and then introduction. No, TV come via Dave Hammer TV now. Sorry, yeah, what's here?
Hi, this is Vivian Jo Lawrence. Keep watching Dave Hammer TV, cause it's the best.
Welcome back to Dave Hammer TV. And then I can say another topic, but I'm not going to be a Reverend Echi. Oh my Virgin Bible, my head on my and yeah, you're healthy on my chair. He's a very busy man, or a very, very busy man. Now, you better not say, well, opportunity. It's not easy to get a man of God, a true man of God, speaking to you about certain issues. Maybe they cry and one person be casafa, but we are so privileged to have this great man of God. But Bible, if you say a storybook, if you say obi wan sem to me be but I think we have to treat this one in our next episode. Enti mo modi ana mo follow here. But before say ebe kono, my reverend, I say bye bye. If you are the contact number, mo person mo friend no be more questions, be one person busana, he's available. O friend na wan fa to boase. Ono aba, obe return no call. The reverend, you ever say sorry near call. Yeah, that's it. For your time. Yeah, that's it. But you say you're very busy, but thank you so much for the opportunity out there, my. You didn't say I'm for but before we go, your final comments before we go.
My final comment is say, Nyamsuma Yasun, you're afraid a GD4. You're afraid a GD4. Believers. What did I say? You're afraid a GD4. And you say, let the weak say, I am strong. And the poor say, I am rich. You're afraid a GD4. So hear me.
Preach on.
Oh, hear me. Nyankopon di gidi ma ogidi NCP fi say osese ogidi ehihim kura wonya bipa efi nyame ho enti so ogidi e wukina ene mebiti ai mitimi bomb fire for 1 hour say grad Nyankopon tu gidi ma gidi NCP abana ho bia metu and that is a good cause. That is a good cause. It's a good cause. And the American said to gidi na catch a radio Nyankopon on catch a radio on to gidi na si gidi pi. Then we say Nyankopon na yesu no Bible so on kwafo no ne wafre no na ono le beye onyame de osese che obeye na wo gidi a unko ba bia on the 2 dimensions ye on the all pest you na dem ya catch aso bia be ko bia catch o say na dem catch is useful ya na prayer topics no doso prayer topics ni endorsed. For back to see when they so. Then Jimmy say, "We ni afi ni me dey esi me no si nyame nye."
Enye mame.
Na de bia because according to Luke chapter 18, mame na dey back pe o. Bible so obo judge ni punu mu a. Judge ni say asem be o say asem kro na de ba na no ahu na ba ya. Wan sana no da. O si say judge no ebu aten ye de. E man. Enti ma ogidie NCP. Ne tu gidia na ho e wo ne wuye bie no ne hunu se nyame na ye kana sam no onu na abosomfo ne ho ahofo yina e hye nase what is nyame e wupe
I say you Ghana nyame
what is nyame wo wupe
say Ghana nyame Israel
so mo ba so mo ye nyame o mo ye ho where are they ye be too comfortable
no say Ghana nyame
ye be too comfortable ye be too odifo asare no
so no say Ghana nyame bi o
Ghana nyame bi no Nyankopon
say Israel nyame
Israel ko Israel o se bibia e be fi eni abu ha o se odofo e ti mo tu kwa ko bibia ko wura London na ko wura America na e bia be tinye hu e be gije be boost mura about even them awo e fi se Israel e yes e wona akwa o ko bompa e ho na de no bi anya
so we have one God
I
see
in Israel nyame any Ghana nyame
me say Ghana nyame these are teachings no where
maybe I mean say okay say Israel nyame
say Israel nyame ne Ghana nyame omo na ye nananom no omo som no that's what people are saying. So we have one God, one omnipotent God, the creator of heavens and the earth. I see.
So I want to say, well, we are made in the future that they are
Debbie.
And so in Namibia about you did you more future that I did you more 10 years anniversary.
So before we go, contact number or contact details. Are you on Facebook?
I'm on Facebook.
Okay. So then also here, Branch Pay will be on Facebook.
Branch Pay is starting on Tuesday.
Branch Pay.
It's starting on coming Tuesday.
Branch Pay.
It's a pair. And do you want to hear no more?
Hey.
This is only a Zoom or Boguso.
This is only a Branch Pay.
It's a pair.
Oh, okay.
One here could be
so if people want to listen to some of the good words, some of the good teachings that channel no like Facebook name yes.
Facebook name Samuel Apia.
Oh, Samuel Apia. Let's say Samuel Apia for the others. na no amfa reverend bi an share ni um pet title simple
Samonapia Facebook dey Samonapia okay so as me am to be hu me say Samonapia be brave baba wo say Samonapia we na me pem
okay of St James Baptist Church okay na who she suit
me she suit
oh now she dey oh she shirt now telephone number is we be say offer
telephone number 0244 21 70 52
okay 0244 21 70 52 okay
number kita mo we are saying na me ni phones too
enti so for number na scroll with screen ase no but more answer what problem be our friend no directions, prayer, counseling is ready for you.
That's all. Hey, Mrs. Adechiwa. And also the show I do more. Adechiwa. Hey, and the spicy people.
Wow, powerful. Reverend, that's it for the introduction.
Branchville started Tuesday. 1:30 p.m.
We are
1:30. 150 gain.
No upon.
20 minutes.
Okay, 1:30.
And it's going to be powerful.
Just so young
pale.
Pale. To follow Samuel Apia on Facebook. Samuel Apia on Facebook. Follow. Nenya branch pale ni be day. Enom. Beba life. Mo share to na mo share. So na o comment bi chiwa bia. Di mo nkoso aso na mo hwe Dave Hammer TV. This is where all the actions. Ya dem ina must say. The sunset will tell us here that any black I say. And I'm here, madam, for Sky GH. On night, you'll be releasing a Afro pop song. Yeah, Sky GH. On the cameraman. Your friend Dave Hammer. No, hello, FM. So, don't do me. I say, Asia. Bye bye.